Welcome to part 4 of the basic tutorial. This mission is designed to let you practice your takeoff and landing skills. In order to take off, your aircraft must reach a high enough speed. Push your throttle to 100% to start your takeoff run. The plane has started accelerating. Watch your speed. The plane has reached a high enough speed. Time to get off the runway. Reach the marked waypoint. Landing on an airfield during missions enables you to capture the area or repair the aircraft. In order to land your aircraft successfully, you need to reduce its speed significantly. Decrease the throttle. Deploy the landing gear. Direct the plane right to the center of the waypoint. Decrease the throttle to... As the plane speed is dropping, intense braking can flip it over. Release the wheel brake button to avoid crashing. The plane has stopped. A successful landing.